Hello, my name is Billie Lauder and welcome to Quick Quilt Tricks. Today I want to go through some of the trickier tricks in the book so that you can see how we go through them step by step. Alright, we're going to start out with the 4-patch. So, the one way to do the 4-patch is when you're going to do multiples. That means you're needing more than just 2 4-patch blocks at a time. The best way I can tell you for doing that is that you're going to be strip piecing. So, got to put my glasses on because it's getting serious. And what we're going to be doing is, with the 4-patch, the formula for doing it is the finished size of the square divided by 2 plus 1/2 inch. We're then going to take that size. So what we're going to be making is a 4-inch finished one. So 4 inches divided by 2 equals 2 plus 1/2 inch means I'm cutting my strips 2.5 inches wide by whatever size I need. I need 2 fabrics, light dark, medium light, whatever the pattern requires. Sew them together with 1/4 inch seam allowances. So I have my 2 strips sewn together. Then I'm going to take them, go over to the ironing board, and I'm going to press this, and I press to the darker of the 2 fabrics. Now, you're doing multiples of these. You can pair up and have pre-sewn a bunch of these, and when I'm cutting these, I can place them together the way they're going to spend the rest of their lives together. All right? Now, I can put and cut more than 2 layers at one time, and if I do that, I have to space them out. So there's the one. I'm going to take this next one and place it on here, but you'll notice I have a gap, and the reason I have a gap is if I stack these totally on top of each other, what I would end up having as I cut them is going over speed bumps. If I cut my strips 2.5 inches to start with, that is what I need to cut them now. Now I laugh and I call myself a two-fisted cutterer. And when you're a two-fisted cutterer, you need 2 rulers to cut with, all right? I have a 6-inch square, and usually I have a 6 by 24. But I'm going to take my 6-inch one, and I'm either going to line it up with the cut edge or with the sewn seam. But I'm going to take this, and as you can see, I've got one of the lines running along the cut edge. I put pressure down on here, bring the big ruler that I'm actually going to be cutting with, put my fingertips on that, take this one away, and the reason that I did that is that I established a perfect 90-degree angle. Now take my rotary cutter, open it, cut, take away what you cut, not what you're cutting, all right? Come in every 2.5 inches, line it up, cut it, and then when you take them away, this is paired up and this is paired up. Again, just take these, stack them back and forth, and go to the sewing machine. You're all set to sew.